Reagan, look at your beautiful work. Look at that work. What did you do well?
Using spaces.
So proud. Hey, you know what? Can you use the word Costco with Callie Cat? What could you say about Costco?
Callie Cat likes to shop at Costco.
Awesome. Brookie, will you please read your second sentence starting right here? Because you did this all by yourself.
Callie
Cat
likes to take pictures.
Take pictures. With her what?
Camera.
Good. What does this next sentence say?
Callie Cat
Plays
with Maddie.
Okay. What's your next sentence say?
You're
right.
Callie Cat.
I think you're right here.
Oh, okay, Costco. Okay. And then period.
Callie Cat makes cake.
You did all of this by yourself.
I have another one.
Another one. What is it?
Callie Cat plays Brooke.
Oh, plays with Brooke. And can you hold up your work so we can see everything that you did all by yourself? Is that all by yourself?
No, Muddy helps.
And what do you think you did well today?
Oh, you are.
What did you do good?
Capital and lowercase.
Do you feel good? Good girl. So, wow, I have two boys here that are focusing, taking their time. Evan, look at all that work. You are doing a fantastic job writing. Hold up your paper, Evan. Wow, I'm going to just come in close so everybody can see all that work that he's done on his paper. Wow. Can you read us a sentence, Evan? One of the ones you wrote? Okay. Cat
loves quarters.
Callie Cat loves quarters.
Why did you want to put this word back there on the wall? Because you're done with it. Do that later or not? Okay.
Reagan, what sentence did you just write?
I'm still working on it, but I'm writing Callie Cat likes
Lay it down here.
to eat cakes.
Can I look at your paper? Will you hold it up? Look at that work. That is beautiful. Fabulous.
Is this Maddie?
You said
That's the word Madeline, Amo. You're absolutely right. Where did you get that?
here. Card.
From the what?
Over there.
What's that called?
See, it sounds like
The
cake.
word wall. You're right. Gabrielle, your writing is beautiful. I see nice spaces. Hazel, good work. Daniel's writing is nice and neat today. Let's go in and look at that writing. Beautiful. Maria, your writing phone is close to you. Maria, what are you working on in your writing? Yes, but what are you trying to do when you write? You're always focused. What's something Mrs. Wild has told you to try to do with your words? What?
Write small and have your spaces.
Write small and have smaller spaces. Good girl. Elliot, what word do you have there from the word wall?
Callie Cat plays cards.
I love that one. It's beautiful. I'm going to come help you. Joe, look at your work. That's fabulous. Will you read me one of your sentences? Nice and loud.
Peppa Pig stops
At Payless. Beautiful. Lacey. I love the way you're focusing on your writing. Can you read me one of your sentences?
Callie Cat cooks cakes. Callie Cat eats candy canes. That's a
What? Read your sentence to me.
Callie Cat plays cards.
Okay, look at the word cards. What do you need at the end?
How did you already have
Huh? What do you need? Cards.
us?
An S, you're right. And then what do you need at the end of your sentence, Elliot? Will you read to me what you've written so far? Alina?
Callie Cat has a new car. Callie Cat
I know what that word is. Enjoys.
enjoys each other.
Look at what you wrote. I can tell what it is. Stretch out what you just wrote. It's a holiday. Christmas.
Christmas.
Good job.
Callie Cat is nice. Callie Cat eats chocolate